Welcome! Today I am with KIA Sportage, and today I'll show you how you can disconnect from your Android smartphone. So the first you have to tap on the settings icon. Next you have to go for the Bluetooth settings. Right now go for the Bluetooth connections and simply find the device that you are connected. In my case I am connected with Zenfone 7 Pro, so I'm going to click here to disconnect. Click yes to confirm. Now just wait a little bit. We are successfully disconnected. And we are going to remove this device by tapping on the delete device, choosing and clicking to delete. Let's confirm. And as you can see right now, we are successfully disconnected. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.